Hi friends! In this video I will show you how to hack your digital multi-tester, so it will long-lasting and you don't need to change the battery. Before we start to hack it, click subscribe and like button if you like my video. By doing that, you just support me, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. First of all, we need to remove the screw from the back cover. To remove the back cover, use a cell phone case opener or something thin and strong. Okay, that is not the original battery. I've changed it before. But today I need a battery charger, so I don't need to take off the battery to charge it. I use the common battery charger TP4056, it is 18,650 battery charger and work with micro USB. This is very easy. You need to connect battery pin to the charger module by connect the positive pin of module to the positive pin of the battery, and do this for negative pin too. For temporary protection, use the tape to protect the open pin. We may check the module by connect the phone charger to the module. If red light is up, it's mean our battery is charged. To be sure, use another multimeter to measure the voltage. It measured about 4.2 volts. The last step is place the charging module in order to make it easier when we need to charge the battery of our multimeter. I use the hot glue, so the module will be stick together with multimeter and make it resistant to moisture and strag. And that's all. Thanks for watching.